Hey everybody, Travis Holden with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and just starting a new install in Blaine, Minnesota, and I'm going to take you for a little walk around the property, kind of tell you what's going on and what we're going to be doing here. But I'm going to flip you around and show you the design first, and then take you on a walk around the property. But here we're going to flip you around here. This is what happens after you pay us to design a food forest or edible landscape for you. This is a blow-up design, and here you go. You can see in the front of the house is going to be tree guilds. And when you walk down here, you're going to see all 6 rows of fruit trees and nitrogen fixers. And you're going to have a berry garden on the side of the house here. Apple tree guilds, some fruit tree guilds here in front. More guilds and fruit trees here along the front. This is all along the street side of the home. Then we got more guilds here, and then this is all going to be berry bushes going down the hill. And then we're going to have a compost area in here and some herb spirals here. 1, 2, I think there's 2 herb spirals in here. And so here we go. I'm going to take you for a little walk. So try to remember what goes where. Let's see. Okay, this line down here, I don't know how far you can see, but this whole line is going to be those 6 rows of fruit trees and nitrogen fixers all the way down the hill. This is going to be the berry garden with all the berry bushes. So we're going to have 2 rows of berry bushes here. And then we come down back here. And we end here, and we'll look back up the hill. That's going to be all fruit trees coming down the hill. I think there's going to be 12 fruit trees and 12 nitrogen fixers. Basically going to be a wall of trees coming down the hill, and then coming back up. This is going to be all berry bushes. There's going to be 4 rows of berry bushes coming up this hill. And then the herb spirals are going to go here and one over there. And we'll build those out in the spring. And there's a couple fruit tree guilds where these flags are right here. And go. And then here's a couple more guilds coming in here. Alright, and I will have more for you when more happens.